Alright, we're at the Old Orchard Red Garage. It's been a good while since I filmed this. They just repainted their pole. How exciting. Oh, look. Ooh, a motor room. We'll take a look at that after we ride the elevator. How about? I mean, if it's even working. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch here. Wow. It is today. The one on the other end of the garage is broken, so I wasn't too sure. Oh boy. This thing looks just incredible, huh? Really nice in here. Very luxurious. All right, let's go up. Plug. Oh my God! Look at that gap! You can see right through the doors, just about. Let's watch that. Let's watch that, why don't we? That fan is not doing a goddamn thing. I am sweating my balls off in here. And if you look, you can see the outline and filth where a security camera used to be. This elevator used to be secure. We're gonna send it up because it's motor room time. Get there quickly before it starts up. Cool. Also the lights just don't work. It's not that I didn't turn them on, it's that I tried. Anyway, I need to cool off. It's so hot in here. That's it.